Laruhan lang sad na ako sa mga DDS ha nga nag-comment-comment og panunglo sa ako and telling me na karma ko for my lolo dying. Need I remind you that it is your fault na wala nagrantan og interim release si PRRD. So what if maback to you mo and he will die in the Hague? Sumusulti ko nga deserve? No, because sir is old. He is old and eventually time will come. Because wala may internals ato atanan. Kitang tanan mga matay mangyud. Pero it's because of your behavior, what you continuously do as a group, what you continuously do as people, that really is the reason nga no si Sir naipit sa ICC. Kamong mga DDS ang ma-blame sa inyong mga gipang buhat. Kamo ang nagduot sa iyaha. Kamo, kay while ga-explain ang judge sa tanan niyang gipanulti atong sa ICC, kamo sa comment section ang mga bastos kaayo. Munang didto palang daan ni ana na gyud ko, mahimo gyud ni silag example nga sila gyud ang rason nga si Sir di gyud ma-release. So gaba na ninyo. Gaba na ninyo nga dili ma-release si Sir because ang inyong mga batasan di makaog iro. It doesn't make you good people. It also doesn't make you worthy to elect the next leader. Because nagtuo mo nga kanang inyong binuhatan wa nay sumbalik. Nagtuo mo nga inyong mga batasan why gaba. Besh, di ko kailangan manunglo ninyo pero ang nahitabo kay Sir sa ICC, gaba ninyo na. Dili na gaba ni PRRD because he was a good man. But his supporters like you nga mga bastos. Imagine ha, di ko kasabot nga si Sir buhi pa man unta pero giturok-turukan og puti nga kandila unya gihilak-hilakan nga murag namatay na siya. And to think, ang naghilak-hilak, mura pinumiro unong mga ngilad kay mga batasan unya mga bastos kaayo. Kinsa may judge nga ganahan nga bastoson? Kinsay judge of a very high international criminal court nga ganahan nga tunglo-tunglohon rag mga subidahon o kinabuhi? Pagsure mo bayot! Muna bisan unsaon ninyo og panunglo nako, mabaktuyo mo sa inyong binuhatan, besh! Dili gyud na makauli si Sir sa inyong mga binuhatan o sa inyong mga batasan. And believe me, ha? Moabot gyud ang oras nga si Sir mamahuway gyud. And when that time comes, please remember that the reason nga dili siya mamahuway sa Davao is because of you. That's why he was not released. It was because of what you did that he will not be released. Muna karon, nag-atubang si Sir o kaso sa ICC, wala ra ba gyud nay sala. Kundi kamo nga iyang mga supporters nga wa na mao. Kay si Sir tarong to, kamo ang dili. So re-evaluate inyong mga desisyon sa kinabuhi ha? Because no one else is to be blamed for the rejection, repeated rejection of his interim release because of you. Kamong tanan. And with that, deserve ninyo. Deserve ninyo nga kamo ra gyud i-blame ana. Akong balikon, si Sir nga naa sa ICC and dili ma-release is because of you. Ingat! Yes, of course. Lisod pod, I made the effort to look this good, feel this good, be this good. Nya dili ko manguwag. Part na siya sa ako ang happiness package karon. Part na siya to enjoy my partner everywhere. Lisod pod, pinangga magay nako tong sigbin kanina bang iPhone 20 Pro Max. And yes, just because kitang mga babae, we demand, that we are happy and our partners are affectionate to us. I will do the same to my partner because he enjoys it. It is our currency of love. It is how we love. Kabisan pagway mga cameras, ing ana jud mi mag-ibid-ibid. Nag-ibid-ibid manggani ko sa una sa mali nga tao, kanina bang nasa sakto. And just because I left my bad marriage, it doesn't mean I'm not entitled to be happy again. And just because people said that I will never be found by a good man, I will enjoy the good man in my life right now. Because my happiness did not step on anyone's toes. Claro? Panguwag sad. Ingat. Can I be honest with you? This was exactly me when I was 29. And you know what? Mas worse pa yung sa akin because I was undergoing depression and anxiety. I didn't have my purpose. I was very much single. Trial and error, and actually I felt like sinakluban na ako ng langit at lupa. But I rescued myself out of that rut because the number one thing I accepted is that no one was coming to rescue me. And the people who had hurt me wasn't going to be accountable for what they did. So I rescued myself. I decided to find my purpose, unpack all of the baggage I was carrying since I was a kid. And I wanted to change my life, and I did. And I attribute that because I faced my demons so that I am able to drown them. And that's what changed my life first. This was when I was 29, about to be 30. So again, all you have to do is look within yourself, know what you want, go after it, and fight for it. Ingat! So kung good man siya, ano ang problema? Bored ka? Kung good siya at feeling mo may kulang, don't be selfish with yourself and with him. Let him go. Kasi para mapunta siya sa tamang tao, natanggap siya kung ano siya. Kesa naman you keep him around pero hindi ka naman masaya because you want more. Kausapin mo siya ng maayos. Respetuin mo naman ang good man sa buhay mo by being honest. Kung ayaw niya magbago kasi yun lang talaga muna siya, kasi yun lang naman talaga yung kaya niya, in that moment, then let him go. Ipaubaya mo siya sa kung saan siya aalagaan at mamahalin ng maayos because hindi lang naman ikaw ang deserve niyan. Hindi lamang tayo mga babae ang deserve mahalin, tanggapin, piliin, kundi mga lalaki din. And I hope that this is clear to you. If he's a good man and there is absolutely no reason to leave him, don't. But if meron, then do it. Ingat. Literal na tao na walang paa, nakaka-move nga from one place to the other. So anong diferensya sa'yo? Because in your mind, you're still debating whether to stay or to go. May mga rason ka pa kung hindi ka makaalis. Wala kang sarili mong pera, mahal mo pa, hindi ka pa nasasagad, nag-hope ka pa na magbabago siya. Eh what if kung hindi? Sinayang mo na ang buhay mo. Sinayang mo na ang dapat para sa'yo. Na masaya ka, na buo ka, na mahal ka ng tama. Alam mong ginagago ka but you're still staying because you're hoping that by staying, mababago mo pa. Hindi na. Kasi kung hindi ka talaga mahal niyan, hindi ka talaga mahal niyan. Kaya mahalin mo ang sarili mo. Ako, I married in April, binugbog ko ng June, and inayos ko pa. Kaya ng December, dun ko lang na-decide ayoko na. Pero kailan ko ba pinaalis sa bahay at talagang iniwan ko na? August 1 pa of the next year. And when I did, I didn't look back.
Ayun, sana ko. Ayun po, nalakanan lang lang pos. Grabe ka talaga, madam!
Late night city lights, driving with no plan. You